हाँ बोलो, क्या बताना है टीचर को, आपको बताओ। What do you want to say? Okay. Good morning Anaya. Good morning Tisha. Good morning Priyan. Good morning Shravan. Good morning Tisha. Good morning Sharvil. Good morning Lakshmi. Hi to everyone. Good morning Praha. Hi. सब present है आज? सब आ गए?
Yes.
Come on. First of the thing, what we do early in the morning? Whose name we take? किसका नाम लेते हैं सबसे पहले? God का ना? So what are we going to do? Let's join our hands, close our eyes, and say the prayer. Okay? Come on. Good morning, God.
Morning, God.
This is your day. Yeah, this is your day. I am your child. I am your child. Show me the way. Okay, come on. Now, what time it is? Warm up time. Chicken. Let us start warm up. Okay. Warm up करें.
warm up में क्या करने का टीचर?
Come on, everyone, stand up.
Stand up. Up, stand up, up. Stand up.
Come on, everyone, stand up.
Stand up.
Okay. Come on. Let's do. Yes. बोलो. क्या कहना है बताओ. Let's do warm up. Come on, everyone, stand up. Come on. Put your hands on your hips.
Hi kids! Let's shake that body! Come on! Dance to the tune! Work out is a mood! We are healthy soon! Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let's all march. March, march, march. Get your body touched.
Come on. On the right side.
Toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Jump, jump, jump. Let's all
Come on, jump.
punch, punch, punch. Let's all punch. Punch, punch, punch. Have a hearty munch. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Yay! Now everyone, come on, rub your palms. Faster. Faster, faster, faster.
Yes.
Now place it on your eyes.
The teacher.
And wish your teacher, good morning, teacher. Come on, everyone. Good morning, my dear children. Now have a seat. Now have a seat, okay? कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था? कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था? What concept? हाँ? कौन से? Yes, हमने कल वीडियो देखा था, इमेजेस देखा था ना, लेटर M से. Show me your homework. स्लेट पे प्रैक्टिस किया आपने लेटर M? You all practice? Yes, come on, show me. And yesterday, what concept we learn about up and down?
And
है ना? down. Okay. Again, teacher will show you how you have to come up and go down. Okay. Very good, Advika. Very good. Show Advika. Show again to teacher. Very nice, Advika. Very nice. Now, Priyal. Yes, Priyal. Show to teacher. Hold your own book, Priyal. Hold your own book, Priyal. Yes, Priyal. Very nice. Very nice, Priyal. Now, Prahan. Prahan, show to teacher. Prahan, you come little close. Very nice, Prahan. Very nice. Sharvil, show yours. Very good, Sharvil. Very nice. Now, Aryavir. Aryavir, show yours. Very good. Very nicely you're holding your book. Very good. Ashta. Now, Ashta will show me her homework. Ashta, where is your homework? I would like to see your homework, Ashta. Okay, I'll come back to Ashta later. First, I'll go to Anaya. Very nice, Anaya. Very nice. Very nice, Arav. Now, Shravan. Very good, Shravan. Very nice. Very nice, Shravan. Now, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, please show me your homework. Hold your own slate and show to teacher. Very nice, Lakshmi. Very good. Now, Tisha. Tisha, come on, hold your book and show it to teacher. Come on, fast, fast. Yes. Good girl.
होमवर्क नहीं हुआ है
आज टीचर ने होमवर्क नहीं किया। कोई नहीं, हम लोग स्लेट पे करने वाले थे ना, आज हम लोग क्लास वर्क में करेंगे। फाइन। The homework was given on a slate. Priyal, what happened, dear Priyal? Ashta, yes, Ashta is back. Now come on, Ashta, show me your homework. Come on, yes, with your own hands. Where's your homework? Oh, it's very light, written very light. Okay, okay, I can see it. Yes, very nice, Ashta. Very good, everyone. Very nice. Very good. Anaya, आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ, टीचर के पास बैठ जाओ, जल्दी आओ, जल्दी आओ. Come on. Yesterday we have done up and down concept also. Okay? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay? So up and down. Now I have to show you again what is up and down. मुझे बताओ आप लोग ने कल क्या सीखा up and down से? क्या सीखा up and down से? Come on. See, I have a staircase also. Now I'm going to climb up. Okay? I'll show how I'll climb up. Then I'll show you how I come down. Fine. Do you want to see it? When we climb the staircase, we are going towards up. Okay? And जब हम नीचे आते हैं, तो we are coming down. See, teacher is going to show you. See, I'm going to show. Now I'm going up. Can you see I'm going up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you see? Now where I am? I'm up. Fine. Now I'm coming down. Down. Fine. Now again, see. Now I'm going up. Can you see this? Now I come. What? Now I come down. Understood? Yes, up and down. When you climb, you go up. When you come down, what do? You're coming down. When you go up, when you climb, what is that? Up, down. Come on, let's do up and down exercise. Okay? Now teacher will say, we'll play little. Teacher will say up, so you all have to stand up. When teacher will say down, you all have to sit down. Fine. Let's have 2-minute play. Okay? Come on, everyone up. Everyone up. Stand up, up. Fast, up. Yes. Everyone up. Yes. Now down. Again down. Yes. Up. Up. Yes. Now down. Yes. Down. Hi, good morning, Sia. Now again, up. Everyone is up. Come on, Advika. Stand up. Stand up. Up. Yes. Now come down. Down. When teacher will say up, you all have to stand up. Fast. Come on. Down. Everyone down. Yes. Now again up. 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 Now get down. Now down. Down, down, not up. Down, yes. Now up, again up. Okay, down, down, yes, up. Again up, again up. जो down हो गया वो out, ठीक है? जो down हो गया वो out. Yes, Prahan is out now. Who said down? Arya भी down हो गया. Sharvil भी down हो गया. Arab भी down. Out. Who is the winner now? Tisha, Priyal, Lakshmi, and who else? Who was standing? Who was up? अब पूरा top down हो गए. Oh, nice. So parents, even you all can play with this like concept up and down. You can tell them up, down, and slowly you can say them like up, so that they will come to know the concept of up and down. Fine, children, enjoyed? ठीक है, सबने एंजॉय किया? यस, कल फिर से खेलेंगे हम लोग अप एंड डाउन, ठीक है? फाइन, बी प्रिपेयर। टीचर कभी भी बोलेगी आप, कभी भी बोलेगी डाउन, ठीक है? सो यू ऑल हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर। गुड मॉर्निंग कृति। हाय, हाउ आर यू? Come on. Now we are going to do letter M on a notebook. 4-line book में करेंगे आज हम M. ठीक है? Come on everyone, remove your 4-line book. Yes, say. आपको किसी को कुछ कहना है टीचर को? Yes, say. कुछ शेयर करना है टीचर से? क्या हुआ अनाया? Where is your book? Everyone show me your 4-lines book. 4 lines की book दिखाओ टीचर को, fast. Come on. No, not on slate. You all have to do on 4 lines book. Don't take slate. Yeah. Arav, where is your book? Yes, Arav, very good. Come little close. Come little close. Don't lean. Don't lean. Don't lean on the wall or bed. Yes, sit properly. Sit straight. अभी हम स्कूल में है ना, तो sit straight. Yes. Fine. No one will lean the wall or bed and sit. Fine. Sit properly. Now come on. ये book निकाले. Now letter M we are going to write. Okay. As you all have seen yesterday, letter M I have made to show you like one page में 3 lines, मतलब एक ही line में 3 alphabets लिखेंगे, ठीक है? To make the writing clearly. Now come on. First line में लिखते हैं अपने standing line. This slanting line go down, then again slanting line come up, again standing line. Letter M. Which letter is this, children? M. Say, put your both lips together and say letter M. Say M. Say M. Put both your lips together and say M. M. Say M says M. सब बोलो साथ में M. Yes, M. ठीक है? M for mango. Now again, standing line. Slanting line go down. Again, slanting line come up. Again, make a standing line. Fine. Letter M. 1 रो का खत्म हो जाता है तो टीचर को ऐसे बुक दिखानी है सबको, ठीक है? मम्मा विल नॉट होल्ड योर थिंग्स. मम्मा आपकी बुक नहीं पकड़ेंगे, आपको दिखाना है टीचर को, ठीक है? कम ऑन अगेन. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, slanting line go down. Again, from this slanting line come up. Again, make a standing line. Letter M. Tisha, what are you doing, dear?
Go down.
Don't take a board, take a notebook. Show it to teacher, Tisha. Priti, show it to teacher after you doing. Yes, very nice, Diti. Very nice. Arav, show yours, Arav. Arav. Very good, Aryaveer. Very nice. Sia, where is yours? Sharvil, where is yours? Asta, where is yours? Advika, Shravan, Lakshmi. Very good, Priyal. Very nice. Very nice, Priyal. Prahan, show yours. What happened, Prahan? Why are you crying? क्या हो गया आपको?
स्टैंडिंग लाइन बना उधर स्टैंडिंग खुद से
Prahan?
बनाओ ये ड्रॉप किया है ना
Why are you
Drop the-
crying? Come here. Come little
Bana-
close to teacher.
You don't
बताओ
want to
क्या
write.
हुआ?
You don't
Why
want to.
you don't want to write? Okay, fine for you. I'll show you one video, one cute video. ठीक है, हम story सुनेंगे. Story सुनना है ना सबको? Prahan, you want to hear the story, right?
Story somebody
See, I'm going to show you one story also. पर फटाफट हम लोग पहले ये complete तो कर ले. टीचर एक अच्छी वाली story सुनाएगी आपको. You all want to hear ना story? Story सुननी है कि नहीं?
only 3.
प्रहान स्टोरी सुननी है? क्रो की स्टोरी है मेरे पास एक. You want to hear it? साथ में हम लोग सुनेंगे. ठीक है, तो फटाफट ये लिख ले. Only 4 lines, not more than that. प्रहान, only 4 lines. Then we'll hear story. ठीक है?
Only one he
फटाफट
has
लिखिए.
tried with his phone. Only one he has tried. Only
Oh, Prahan, come. We'll be completed. Then I'll show you one story. I'll show you one video. Okay? हम ये थर्स्टी क्रो की वीडियो देखेंगे. फटाफट कर लो ना. चलो ना. हम फटाफट लिख लेते हैं, फिर हम लोग स्टोरी देखेंगे. ठीक है, स्टोरी सुननी है ना सबको?
इसको ज्वाइन करो ज्वाइन करो
कम प्राहन, कम लिटिल क्लोज. थोड़ा सा ये, बस थोड़ा सा. ओके, थोड़ा सा आज लिखेंगे. फाइन.
टाइप में दिख रहा
Come on.
है स्टोरी
See, I'll just
you have to practice.
to give you star, Mama. After that, just give Prahan 1 star. Okay, a red star. ठीक है, Prahan. Mama will give you star on your hand. Prahan, good boy. Prahan. Now standing line.
लगा के
Again standing line. Slanting line go down. Again slanting line come up. Again make a standing line. M. M says what, children? M says ma. What M says? M says ma.
ज्वाइन करो
Right? M says ma. Now again, standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up. Again make a standing line.
ये वाला स्टैंडिंग लाइन ये वाला स्टैंडिंग लाइन ज्वाइन करो मम्मी को आना
Prahan,
है.
where are you?
अभी एक और बना
Come on. थोड़ा सा लिखेंगे फिर हम स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है?
You don't
Promise,
want
promise.
Then teacher story कैसे?
बना के दो
You if you complete this.
आपको स्टोरी भी सुनाएगी ना टीचर? ओके, फिर हम डांस करेंगे थोड़ा. ठीक है, बाद में
रुक ना
डांस.
पहले नहीं आगे.
हम डांस भी करेंगे ना बाद में. आज क्या है? आज फ्राइडे है ना?
ये ले ये मम्मा है
याद है लास्ट फ्राइडे हमने थोड़ा डांस किया था?
मम्मा के पास लेके आओ
प्राहन, यू वांट टू डांस?
जल्दी
You want to?
जल्दी बताओ. प्राहन,
Teacher पूछे teacher.
वांट टू डांस?
ज्वाइन करो
थोड़ा टाइम बचेगा तो we will dance also. Okay, I'll put a nice song for you all. After completing this work we will dance. Prahan, promise, come here at least. Come close to teacher.
But first you finish your.
थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई कर लेंगे फिर हम लोग डांस करेंगे. फाइन, फिर एक स्टोरी पढ़ाएगी टीचर. ठीक है?
properly.
कम my dear child. Prahan, थोड़ा पास में आ जाओ टीचर के. Come on. Now again, standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up. Again,
मम्मी जब तक ये डॉट डॉट
देखो सबको कंप्लीट हो रहा है. अभी फास्ट फास्ट फिनिश हो जाएगा. Then we will do Prahan. Come here.
Teacher is calling you. Come.
Now again, standing line, slanting line go. See, हमारा फिनिश होने आ रहा है. देखो सबको फिनिश हो जाएगा. Prahan, see, come here. See, everyone is doing ना baby. Come. आ जाओ. थोड़ा सा तो करना है बस. 1 पेज ही करना है बस. ठीक है?
एक और ज्वाइन करके देखिए
What happened today? You're not in a mood. You want to go somewhere?
1 मिनट लिए मम्मी डॉट डॉट करके देखिए
He's not in a mood today.
What happened to him?
He doesn't want to write. He doesn't want to write. He want to do the painting right now. He's in a mood of painting. Because of that he is upset.
Painting. कल तो हमारा activity भी है. Saturday is a class, right? Tomorrow there will be a class. So there will be no writing part. There will be only activity for Prahan. Prahan, see, for you I'm keeping activity now. चलो कल हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे, ठीक है? पर आज थोड़ी सी तो पढ़ाई कर लो प्रहान, ठीक है? आज लास्ट में हम डांस करेंगे प्रहान। यू वांट टू डांस ना? आई पुट अ नाइस सॉन्ग फॉर यू, ठीक है? एक गर्ल्स के लिए होगा, एक बॉयज के होगा, ठीक है? फाइन। हाँ, बट प्लीज थोड़ा सा लिख लो। हाँ प्रहान,
बनाओ
ठीक है? कम ऑन नाउ, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, सी एवरीवन इज,
मम्मा है ये को लेकर मम्मा
देखो
के
सबका
पास
फिनिश हो रहा है। हाय सोहम, गुड मॉर्निंग।
बनाओ बनाओ ज्वाइन
Slanting line come
टाइप
up now,
दिखना
standing line.
चाहिए
It's okay if he's not writing, parents just tell him to at least watch it so that you know later when you tell him to do it, he will do it. Fine Prahan, ठीक है? मम्मा के साथ बाद में बैठ के करना, okay?
Yes, we'll do it.
Okay. Standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up, again standing line. M. ठीक है? Again leave one line, again leave one line. Make a practice. Standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up, standing line. M. Which letter? M. Fine. Standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up. Whenever you teach them, tell them in front of them. Standing line go down, slanting line come up, standing line, letter M. Fine. Sharvil, which letter? M. Yes. Soham, which letter, dear?
कौन सा लेटर है वो
M. Where is your book, Soham? Where is your book, dear? Arav, कौन होमवर्क नहीं करता है? Who is not doing homework? Who is he? Soham is not doing homework. Why Soham? We have to do it ना, ठीक है? So we have to learn the letters. Then how you will spell your name? If anyone will ask you what is Soham spelled, so how you will say? Sharvil, show your, yes everyone. Aryaveer, very good boy, very nice Aryaveer. Sharvil, show yours. Hold your own book. Yes. Anaya, where are you going now with your bag? Where is she going with her bag? Your school is here, dear. Look here. Now come on. One more. Standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up. Now standing line. अभी बस एक ही लाइन बची है, ठीक है? ठीक है सोहम? Now again, standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up, standing line. Standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up, standing line. M. Again, standing line, slanting line go down, slanting line come up, standing line. Letter M. Okay? Now parents, one more thing. This was the classwork. Fine? Homework I'll be giving you tomorrow. Fine? Because I want to give introduction of curves now. Have you done with the right curves and left curves? ये हो गया right curves and left curves?
नहीं, एक ही कर्व
ये हुआ है?
नहीं ये नहीं हुआ है
Right and left नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं
So today I am giving you introduction of both the curves. Fine? ठीक है? Fine? Come on. Just an introduction of curves today. And number 5 also I will be giving. Now come on. Now see children over here. Now parents, you too. Just have a look. This is what? This is curves, right?
बॉर्डर ठेवून देते जाऊ त्या बॉर्ड मोड मारून झाली ना बॉर्डर ठेवून देते बस शांत बस खाली बस चल मग
This is right curve. ठीक है? This is right curve. ठीक है? और जो हम लोग C बनाते हैं उसे क्या कहेंगे हम लोग? Left curves. This is for parent, मतलब right R and left up. You will come to know ना because मुझे नहीं मालूम कि mirror image दिखेगा शायद. तो for your reference I have written L and R. हाँ parents? ठीक है? Curves might give you a mirror image over here. So for your reference, I have written like how we write C. So that is left curve. How we write C is left curve. This is left curve. How we write C. And how we write for B, like B जब हम बनाते हैं, जब B बनाते हैं, तो हम लोग वो जो कर्व लेते हैं उसे कहते हैं राइट कर्व. फाइन पेरेंट्स, आई नो कि यहाँ पे mirror image दिखेगा. For your reference I have written left and right, so you all have to show them what is right and what is left. When we make C is what? Left. ठीक है?
Right same by Prahan.
ठीक है? When we make C is what? Left. ठीक है? And this is right. When we make small letter B का curve, वो है right curve. And when we make letter C, that is left curves. Okay? Got to differentiate parents कि क्या different है left and right curves में. So you all have to explain left and right. ठीक है? Now I'll be showing you the number 5. So in number 5, like how we'll make sleeping line.
Okay, right.
I hope you can see it.
Right, Prahan. One second.
Sleeping line, standing line and the curves. ये जो कर्व हम लेंगे वो क्या होगा? वो राइट कर्व होगा. जो 5 के लिए हम जो ये कर्व लेंगे, that will be the right curve. Fine?
Join कर लो.
Got parents?
Join कर.
ठीक है पेरेंट्स, आपको समझ में आया ये राइट एंड लेफ्ट का? Again I'll go through it. I'll show you. When we make letter C, over here, that curve is called left curve. ठीक है? Show them left curve. See if ये भी आप देख लो, note down कर लो कि when we make C, that is left curve, and when we make 5 के लिए जो curve लेते हैं, हम turn लेते हैं, उसे कहेंगे right curve. ठीक है? This right curve. ठीक है? This side right curve, and this side left curve. Fine. So today is the introduction of writing 5 and the introduction of right and left curves. Fine. So how will be? I'll be showing you on the notebook also. Left. ठीक है? ये left है. So I am going to make it C. अभी तो मैं बड़ा बना रही हूँ. C. This is left curve. ठीक है? Now right curve. How we make for 5? Number 5. ठीक है? Left, right. Fine. ठीक है? So make them practice today left and right on a slate. And today I'm going to show you how we'll be doing number 5. Parents, one more thing, like tomorrow the class will be there. Ma'am will announce you what time it will be. So tomorrow we will be doing revision of 1 to 4. Fine? 1 to 4 we will be doing the revision. Because 5 to आज introduction है. So 1 to 4 there will be the revision. I'll be making a worksheet. Through that we will be doing what? We will make them recognize. I'll be putting numbers like jumble, मतलब jumble में numbers लिखूंगी, and I'll be placing your objects related to numbers. So they will be what? They will be matching it. Okay, so give them a little practice like 1, and they will count how many objects are. I'll be making a few objects like related from 1 to 4. Then I'll be writing over here like 3, 2, 1 or 4, and make them understand like you all have to count the object and you have to match the numbers. Fine. Tomorrow we'll be doing this revision work. I'll be giving you as well as homework of number 5 and letter M. Fine. So tomorrow there will be homework also. And today what I'm saying, ki curves. Today make them a homework. ये रहेगा कि curves make them practice today. Fine. Oh Lakshmi, very nice. You made today 5 also. Very good. Nice. ठीक है? And tomorrow there will be an activity related with letter M. So parents, one more thing, what I want you to, कुछ नहीं लेना है, खाली आपको है ना एक कलरफुल लेनी है. You all have to So see here children, which number I'm going to make it. See, standing line, sleeping line, and which curve I'll be taking? Right curve. Okay? This is right curve. Number 5. Which number is this children? Number 5. How many fingers? कितनी fingers है टीचर के हाथ में? 5. Yes, count. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? So parents, I think थोड़ा network issue की वजह से I will repeat it again. Tomorrow we'll be doing letter M concept का activity. So tomorrow we are going to make a mouse. ठीक है? So what objects you need is like you need a scissor, glue, googly eyes and one colorful sheet. Like कोई भी कलर के mouse हम लोग बता देंगे. Like उनको अच्छा लगेगा. Like always black. So we'll be taking any color like जो उनको पसंद है वो कलर की चार्ट आप अवेलेबल रखना. Scissor, and what you have to do is you have to make a circle cutout. Fine, one circle cutout and one a rectangle cutout. ठीक है, सिर्फ ये आप प्रिपेयर करके रखना है. Tomorrow we'll be doing an activity. If you have a wool or a thread for mouse tail के लिए, अगर आपके पास thread या wool है या कुछ भी जो related हो mouse के tail के लिए, so keep that also prepare. So we'll be making tomorrow what? Mouse. ठीक है, तो कल हम mouse activity करेंगे. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be giving you homework of letter M as well as number 5. So today I'm just going to show you how we'll write number 5 over here. Fine, just have a look here children. चलो जल्दी, हमें poem भी करनी. चलो जल्दी. Sleeping line, standing line,
डॉट बना के
take a curve. Come on everyone, can you see it? Slate पे practice करो. और ये कौन सा curve है? You all have to say it also. Parents, they might get confused. This is right curve. This is right curve. ठीक है? This is right curve. Again, sleeping line, standing line, and make a right curve. Make a circle. See, you have to say them while making a curve. When you make a circle, tell them when we make a circle, we don't make a full circle, we make a half circle. So what that half circle will be? Right curve. Okay, that circle is right curve. Okay, so this is the explanation of number 5. Okay, now parents, come on, story time. Everyone, just sit together. Story time. Now this is the story. मैं आस-पास बोलूँगी, ठीक है? This is the story of what? This is the story of a crow. ठीक है? I'll be sharing a screen. Okay? So this is the story of a crow, a thirsty crow. This is the story of a thirsty crow. ठीक है? हम thirsty crow आज देखेंगे. एक crow. हाँ बोलो.
पहले स्टोरी सुन लो. तुम पहले स्टोरी सुन लो. मम्मा
So now can you see this crow? Yes? Parents, can you see the image? Yes, parents? Yes, you can see it's now. This is a story. This is the story of the thirsty crow. You know what happened one morning? The crow was very thirsty.
Ma'am, we can't
he
see you.
Okay. Now अभी देख सकते हो?
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है।
एक मिनट मैम. Now you can see the screen. थर्स्टी क्रो का ठीक है, तो मैं इमेजेस खाली दिखा देती हूँ. ठीक है. हाँ. देखा है थर्स्टी क्रो? You can see it. You can see the image.
Yes. No.
Now what is he doing? He's picking up the stones, right? He was very thirsty. So one fine morning he saw a pot and that pot was empty. So he got an idea. He thought that I'll put some stone on the pot and he started collecting the stones. And little by little he collected all the stones and put it on the pot and he drank away and flew away happy. ठीक है? Where is Prahan? ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा आपके लिए दिखाना था, आपको मूड चीयर अप करने के लिए. Fine, now you are you okay? ठीक है, तो कल हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे. ठीक है, and activity once more I'll repeat it, like what you need is one colorful sheet you need, like any colorful chart paper, anything, scissor, glue and a googly eyes and a thread for making their what happened now. Come on. तो कल हम क्या करेंगे? एक्टिविटी करेंगे and tomorrow I'll be giving you letter M and number 5. Fine children, तो कल हम माउस वाला एक्टिविटी, so be prepared. Okay, come on everyone, join your hands. We'll wind up today. Okay, close your eyes, start the prayer. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God for the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything. God bless mommy. God bless daddy. God bless teacher. Make me always to keep them happy. Fine. Now come on everyone, stand up.
जनगण मन चलो मम्मी भी बोलेगी चलो।
Everyone stand up. Keep your hands aside, everyone. Parents, even you all join with them. Come on, let's start. Put your right hand on your head. Say. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद जय hind. So children, what you will be doing today is you will be practicing curves. Okay, practice curves on your slate and number 5. ठीक है, तो आज आपको स्लेट पे क्या करना है, नंबर 5 and both right and left curves you have to practice it. So tomorrow teacher will be giving you homework. Fine, ठीक है. So everyone, bye for now. Take care. See you tomorrow.